Hi, I'm Saikoniki. Finally, I'm giving to you the last piece of 7 capital sins, which is sloth. I started with outlining my brows with black liner. By the way, I went ahead with my base or my foundation, creating a fuller looking brows with liquid liner and shading with black eyeshadow. Using a concealer as my base, I set my under eye with a lot of powder to wipe possible eyeshadow fallout later. As for my eyes, I use a deep black on my entire lid, creating a gradient effect using a shimmery brown eyeshadow on the crease at the end of the black eyeshadow that I placed earlier. And fading the color by blending it with a light brown eyeshadow. Applying the black eyeshadow on the lower lash. And then tight line. This process makes me cringe. And of course, our lashes. These random lines. Oops, if you made a mistake, then these little buds can help. Dark lips and smudging it purposely. Applying a black face paint and shading with brown eyeshadow. Just like so. Applying a black face paint on my neck. Here's the finished look. Hope you give this a thumbs up and hit the like and subscribe button and ring the bell and be updated on my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching. Sarang hai. Bye-bye.